life cycle of your data sets. First, you have to discover certain things. First, I have a, from see here, these are the sources for my data. Okay, from this source, I try to discover certain data from the use, or I something. So in a use quantity of data, I try to discover mining, data preparation. As I told you, cleaning is the major task here. Data preparation here, in the data preparation is a very big task. Here you need a lot of techniques, tools we have to use for the data preparation. Modeling, planning, what kind of why we are using the data, for what sake we are using the data, based on that, for what, then we try to build a different model planning. Which model will give the more accuracy with respect to my this business? That is what model planning. Once the model has been, as you know, model building, this is the model I supposed to use, then we try to model. And the model has been what? We are dividing the data into the training and the test data. Whatever the model I have done, whether it is correct or not, accuracy we are checking, model building, operationalize. And operationalize in the sense, we try to deploy that model with respect to the other set of data sets, and then we try to compare the accuracy. Once the model has been giving the some reasonable accuracy, or it is predicting, or it is coming near to my prediction expected result, then we do communicating with the results with the end users. That is what the entire cycle. Clear? See, discover from data from the source, data preparation, in the sense cleaning the data, handling the missing values, outliers. These are some techniques are there that will come across. Modeling, which kind of model we have to use with respect to my business. Next, the selection of the model. Once is over, we try to build and deploy that building operations. We deploy, or we check the accuracy against my model. Once the accuracy, prediction, probability is correct, then we deploy into the, or we'll give it to the user. This is what the life cycle. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Any doubts you have?
Not at the moment, but yeah.
Are you familiar?
Yeah, quite familiar.
Okay. Phase one, same thing. See, the phase one deals with understand the various specification, requirements, priorities, requirement budgets. In this second phase, pre-processing, condition of the data is done. What kind of the data is in which condition? Say, as I told you, data cleaning, transformation. Say unstructured, you have a doubt. Unstructured data, we try to convert it into structured data. Transformation and visualization is done to help the stabilizing the relation among the different variables. We'll come across with so many techniques. This is a very important, crucial part in our this phase two. Cleaning the data, transforming the data. So there are so many data, sir, which is required, which is beneficial, their correlationship, which how many variables I have to take. See if it is what to say, underfit or outfit. These are the things we have to check it with the things. Stabilizing the relation. A number of variables are there, how they are related to each other. That relation, we have so many statistical techniques we are applying in the finding the relationship and finding the different type or selecting a different type of variables. That is what the phase two. Phase two is very, very important. Clear? In phase 3 method techniques, relation among the variables. As I told you, we have a number of data, how they are related to each other. That is what we have to find. And EDA, that is exploratory data analysis, where is using the various statistical formulas and visualization technique is done. See, our SAS axis, MS axis, we are using the models. Fine. These are the different type of tools, common tools we are using. SAS techniques and MATLAB nowadays, Minor, Statistica, these are the tools. And then even R is also providing the n number of packages for the statistics, for what to say, SAS also we can read The data, we can read it from the XML file, we can read it from the Excel file, we can read it the data from text file, or all the unstructured and structured data. Okay, techniques. These are the different type of techniques we are going to use it. In this, of course.
So for the model building, like in your previous slides, R cannot do it, right?
Pardon?
So in your previous slides, can you go back?
Yeah. No, 1 minute.
No, yeah, this one. So you're saying that here R cannot do well in this model building?
No. It is not model building. Model building to select certain algorithm. Using the algorithm, we try to build a model. Okay, I need in my R is a programming language, right? In my programming language, I need to apply certain statistic techniques. Okay, statistical functions.
I see.
Yeah, I wanted to use statistical functions, or I want to use a graph.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Graph I need. So for using a graph, I need to use some packages. Statistic function I need to use. I need to use a statistical functions. It will use all kind of statistical functions. Whichever you require for your building a model, you can use those things. These are the different tools for building the model. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Of course, this is what to say. Technical documents are prepared. Of course, this is the problem, and these are the what to say scenarios. You have to prepare technical documents, what and all what you have done, evaluating those things, checking with the data. These are the what to say organizational statistics they are performing, or they have day-to-day routine work that they are going to perform. These are the phases that I have elaborated. Is it okay?
Okay.
This is Excel reporting in business. These are the Excel really viewed from the Google people. Tableau is also very good, but it is very costly. MicroStrategy is there. BA is for this data science, and also for the who's this Microsoft people. They have a Power BI is there. These are the techniques tools we have using. Predictive and machine learning tools. This is for both vision. Sorry, 1 minute. Reporting and this is for business intelligence and reporting. These are the things we are. Of course, graphs also. Tableau, ClickView. These are all these tools are very good for graphical representation, visualization techniques. Strategy is for the planning purpose. Power BI is exclusively meant for business intelligence. And predicting machine learning algorithms, as I told you, Python is there, R is there, Apache Spark is there. Nowadays, Julia is also coming from Google guys. Jupyter notebooks for this one. Anaconda is there for Jupyter notebooks for Python. These are all open source. Okay, guys. Julia is coming up now. The trend is there for Julia from the Google guys. Okay. Any different tools, techniques there are fine. And artificial intelligence, Autoclass, Google Cloud, AutoML, IBM, Watson, Data Robot, Amazon Leaks. These are all what to say. We have to. Nothing is open source, but still they are coming up. We are interested only in the tools. We go with the techniques. Fine. Algorithms we're going to use in our R programming language. Fine. These are the automatic tools. They are upcoming tools that we have. Amazon Lex is there. Okay.